Morning to everyone present today. We will discuss about Indian knowledge systems. It covers almost all the areas of Indian tradition, art and architecture and everything related to Indian ideas. I am going to sketch certain factors with Indian story writing, palm leaf manuscript in Indian context, traditional medicines, Indian language book writers in traditional themes, Indian meditational thinking, Indian style of artistic form of drawing, traditional knowledge system, Indian scientific concepts, Buddhist philosophies, Kadagala Chepam, traditional concepts. So I have covered certain factors. Just I want to explain the concept I have given now. Indian Kadagala Chepam I told you just now. Indian Kadagali, Indian dance, Indian music, Indian drama, Indian art, Indian architecture, Indian temple architecture, Indian sculpture, Indian literature writing, Indian conceptual film, water management, floral garden, maintaining Indian trees, lighthouse management, Indian agriculture, Siddha and Ayurveda medicine, music colleges, traditional art institutions, building concepts, traditional Indian folk dance. So many areas are covered in the Indian system. So some examples I am again telling now. Kerala Kathakali, music of Indian tradition, I have shown the image here. Then musical dance movements, how it was explored in India, that was also shown now. Then story dance concepts, some examples I have given here. Indian traditional art form, Indian temple architecture and sculptures, two examples are here, sculptures and temple architecture. So almost these are the areas involved in the Indian language system. It is a beautiful concept to understand the Indian knowledge from the early period, and few examples are given, drawings and photographs and architecture concepts. I think it will be useful for the students who are learning about Indian language system. Thank you once again.